pine trees.
Oh yeah. That is like gotta be one of my favorite smells. Because Colorado, when we camped, smelled a lot like this too when I was a kid with Dad. Maybe that's where I get it from. Because we used to cut a lot of wood, trees down for firewood. Our dad cut it and we stacked it as kids.